Myself, P. Sasikala, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Shakti Arts and Science College for Women, Ottanchitram. Hello everyone. Here in this video, we are going to see few points about children's literature. So here's a question. What is children's literature? Children's literature is nothing but the body of written works and accompanying illustrations produced in order to entertain or instruct young people. So, this genre, children's literature, encompasses a wide range of works, including acknowledged classics of world literature, picture books, and easy to read stories written exclusively for children. This children's literature is also loaded with fairy tales, fables, folk songs, and other primarily orally transmitted materials. Children's literature first clearly emerged as a distinct and independent form of literature in the second half of the 18th century, before which it had been at best only in an embryonic stage. During the 20th century, however, its growth has been so luxuriant as to make defensible its claim to be regarded with the respect, though perhaps not the solemnity, that is due any other recognized branch of literature. Children's literature is extremely valuable both in school setting and in home setting. Teachers and parents should both be able to differentiate between quality and mediocre literature. In order to give students access to the best books to encourage these important values of literature and considering developmental domains, children's literature is valuable in providing an opportunity to respond to literature as well as cultural knowledge, emotional intelligence, creativity, social and personal development, and literature history to students across generations. Exposing children to quality literature can contribute to the certain of responsible, successful, and carrying individuals. Thank you.